buhay, di ba? We do have some brands that are helping us, that are partnering with us, and we're very grateful for them. And then we also have the organizations that are partners with Love Yourself since every Love Gala, medyo marami sila, Mama Vin. Would you be able to, should we mention them? Or, yeah,
So every year, Love Gala, when it happens, it's actually every 2 years. Starting this year lang natin siya gagawin na every year. Kasi ang bigat niya, magastos kasi siya. Minsan ang hirap, hindi naman kasi siya ever naging fundraiser. It's always like, we wanted to celebrate World AIDS Day and celebrate yung mga wins ng advocacy and introduce them. Yung parang Apple, every September, they have the launch of the new product. So, etong Love Gala, we always do it like that. So, Love Yourself is actually taking care of 50 community-based organizations all over the Philippines. So, all the 21 regions, meron tayong 1, 2, 3 community organization na inaalagaan dyan. Sinusuportahan natin sila para makapag-outreach sila. Tapos, yung support na yun, nanggagaling po sa Philippine National Foundation and the Global Fund and USAID. So sila po yung major sponsors natin talaga. Tapos sa mga events naman ito, dahil hindi kaya ng mga support nila, usually kasi yung mga support ng mga sponsor po natin for operational support ng mga orgs at saka maliliit na campaigns. So yung mga ganitong events talaga po natin, parang sabi nga ni kanina, may bit-bit siya, kala mo insurance, nagbebenta talaga siya ng insurance. Ganun po talaga. Talagang ginagapang po namin sa mga potential partners para mai-share sa kanila. Medyo kakaiba talaga ngayon kasi first time natin na fundraiser yung objective natin. Before po kasi talaga ang habol natin for the reach, for the parang sort of cloud chasing talaga. Kasi you want really the cloud to follow you kasi yung cost mo kailangan bumongga rin eh. Yun talaga yung idea. Pero this time talaga iba yung purpose niya. Purpose talaga is to launch the auction para the following year we can potentially get bidders and potentially start the community center. So yun yung idea. In terms of other partnerships, dahil we are in partnership with the whole Department of Health, every region po, partner natin. For example, ang Taguig, before po, tayo yung nagpo-provide rin ng some support sa mga staff na kino-complement natin through the Global Fund sa mga different regions with Category A cases po. Ibig sabihin nun, mas mataas ng 25% yung increase ng kaso ng HIV sa kanila. As you all know, ang HIV po dito sa Pilipinas, we're the fastest growing epidemic in Asia Pacific. So, every year, parang nagmo-multiply po ng 2 to 3 times yung incidence rate. Pero po, naniniwala kami na it's a double-edged sword. Ano ibig sabihin nun? While the epidemic is real, when we're just looking and seeing the tip of the iceberg, there's so much more underneath. It's also because dumadami rin kasi yung mga advocates and volunteers like P who are promoting the cause, kaya tumataas rin yung cases kasi more and more people are actually accessing the free services. Kasi po sa totoo lang, the government is doing its thing. Available po yan. Meron silang testing, meron silang treatment, ang daming paandar niyang mga yan, meron silang mga pageants and all. Kaya lang, we need to look at things in a different perspective na there's no such thing as a silver bullet. Different strokes for different folks. So as much as possible, we're giving people as many options as possible. Kung mapapansin niyo po, may mga campaign si P na medyo funny, o kaya naman seryoso. Minsan pumupunta pa talaga kami sa mga barangays talaga to do outreach. So iba-ibang level po talaga. So the partnership is from the barangay levels to the city, to the region, to the national. Ngayon po, ngayon lang first ever namin naka-encounter ang national partnership na hopefully mas maging focus talaga yung HIV. Kasi we've been hearing a lot na parang magiging focus ng administration natin ng HIV na hopefully magkaroon. Kasi po, sa totoo lang, sa buong mundo, nahuhuli po tayo pagdating sa implementasyon ng mga programa. Sa other countries po kasi may injectable na gamot so that people don't need to come back every 3 months. Yung iba nga po, maabot po ng time na bakit pong i-share to, pero nagkakaroon po kami ng time na isang bote lang ibibigay namin sa mga pasyente. Kasi po hindi maayos yung system ng distribution ng DOH na hopefully with a series of meetings that we're doing, magawa natin ng paraan. Nagkaroon rin po kami ng experience dati kaya napakaganda ng partnership sa OWA kasi po nagkaroon po tayo ng kababayan galing po sa isang bansa na maraming OFW. Pag uwi niya po, nakaposas siya. Alam niyo po yung posas na may kasamang bola na ganun po, nalaman na may HIV siya. The whole time po nakaganon siya, babae. Taga Cebu po. Tapos, syempre, law nila yun. Walang protection po for us. So that's something that we're hoping to do more for.
Okay,